here we're going to talk about evaluating an expression. So not an equation, no equal sign. We're not solving, we're just trying to make this more simple. So with a negative exponent. Now obviously I can use the equal sign to show the next step, but it's not an equation, we're not solving. So what does a negative exponent mean? Remember back, negative exponents don't have anything to do with the sign of the number. They mean the reciprocal of this. And then also, what's the base and what's the exponent? Well, negative 1's obviously the exponent. This whole thing is in parentheses, so this whole thing is the base. So I want the reciprocal of this whole thing. Well, it's already a fraction. How do I take a reciprocal of a fraction? I flip it. So this is 8 over 7. Now notice that just takes care of the negative exponent. It still has an exponent of 1, but then anything to the first power is just itself. So this is the same as 8/7. So 8 times itself once, 7 times itself once. So let's try another one. 2/3 to the negative third. So we'll take care of the negative exponent first. It's on the whole thing, so I want the reciprocal of the whole thing. So 2/3 becomes 3 over 2. So I still have an exponent, I just took care of it being a negative exponent, means the reciprocal. So now this means 3/2 times itself 3 times. So I can write 3/2 times itself 3 times, and I notice 3/2 times 3/2 times 3/2. Since I multiply fractions straight across, really that's the same as having 3 times itself 3 times on the top and 2 times itself. So you can think of it as 3 to the third, 2 to the third, without writing that out if you want to, but writing it out always helps you see how it works. So on the top, 3 times 3 is 9, times 3 again is 27, and on the bottom, 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 again is 8. So 3 to the third and 2 to the third. And I know that's reduced all the way, because see back here, the only factors of 27 is 3, and the only factors of 8 is 2. So there's no common factors between 27 and 8.